Hey YouTube, let's learn this song Underclass by King Krule. That's how it starts. 10, 9, 8. You don't even have to play you can play it like with one finger. Alright, I just have a clean sound and maybe like some chorus on there. And a Telecaster, it's good for these jazzy kind of chords using the neck pickup. So that's C sharp minor 7, C minor 7, B minor 7. All right, but what's the important chord there is the B minor 7. B minor 7 is one of the chords of the song. And the other two chords are just embellishments. It's like a chromatic walk down. Yes, they're passing chords. All right, so the main chord progression in this is it's B minor 7, E7, and A major 7. Like, the other thing I want to say is, really what they play is actually a ninth, a C sharp minor 9. But the ninth is actually just an embellishment of the C sharp minor 7 chord. So the basic chord is a C sharp minor 7, and then adding that ninth is just an extension. It's an embellishment. All right, so don't get hung up on the extension chords. Like if you see like a 13 or you can always just play the basic minor 7 or the basic major 7. You don't have to play the extensions. So I'm just going to teach you the basic chords, because bar the top 4 strings. So you could just bar the top 4 string. And then you're at the 7, you can play the E7. And then we go to the A major 7, which is A is the key of the song. And then the next chord progression, because the chord progression ends when it gets to A, it resolves to the key of the song. All right. So every time we go to the end, then we're going to start over. A major 7. Now we're going to start over. It goes. So what did it do there? It just instead of walking down to the B major 7, minor 7, it went walk down chromatically 1 fret. It's a B flat, and then it just went to the basic chord progression: B minor 7, E7, A major 7. Then the third time kind of does something a little different here. It starts on the B minor 7, goes back to the B minor 7, then it goes up to fret 9. It's a C sharp minor 7, and then it goes D minor 7. It does that 4 times. C sharp minor 7 to D minor 7. 3, 4. it just goes back to the B minor 7. And it goes right to the A major 7. Alright, so that now we did that 3 variations on the same chord progression. Now this next chord progression is like a transition. And I think they go somewhere around here. They go E, F, F sharp, and then they go all right, B. It starts on B flat and it goes to B. We play our E7, and then we go back to that C sharp minor. And that C sharp minor to B, back to C sharp minor, is kind of part of the second half of the song. And let me play that. Let me play the second half of the song progression, and then I'll teach it to you. Right, we're on the C minor 7, coming out of that transition progression. And then that's the whole second part of the song. It works well too in this these lower frets. So that those last 2 chords happen kind of quick. Get right off of that C minor right into the F sharp minor. F sharp minor is like the relative minor of A, and the melody of the song is in F sharp minor. Probably up here at the 8th fret. Yeah, probably at the 13th fret is a real good place to play it. So you can use any F minor or A major scale, you know. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.